Hey guys, if you like what you're seeing, keep watching this video till the end and I'm gonna teach you exactly how I did it, alright? In this video you're gonna learn how to get unlimited followers on your Instagram account. But before we start, I'm gonna open the account and show you the amount that I have at the moment. You're also going to need your own username and I'm gonna show you mine over here, but as I said, you're gonna need yours to get the followers on your own account. So here we are, I'm on my Instagram account right now and as you can see here I have 0 followers and this is my username, the one at the upper left. You're going to get your own username to get the followers on your own account, and once you get the username, the next step is that you need to close Instagram totally, the app. You need to shut it down and then open your browser and go to this website that I'm going to show you right now. So the website that you need to go is hypefollowers.xyz. So hypefollowers.xyz is the website that you need to go, and once you're here, the first step is that you need to enter your username, and I'm gonna enter mine real quick. Once you do enter the username, then you need to actually go on and tap on the start button over here. So let me just do that right now. Once you tap on start, this website is actually gonna connect to your Instagram account to add the followers, but we're going to get to choose the amount of followers that we need to add on our account. As you can see here, you can choose anything from 100 followers to 5,000, and I'm gonna choose 5,000 for this tutorial. Once you do that, you need to scroll down and tap on the proceed button over here. You're gonna need to wait a few seconds for this website to connect to your account and proceed adding all the followers. But to get the followers added, there is one last step that you need to complete, and that is a very short verification step. We need to verify that we are an actual user using the website and not a software, not an automated bot. And here we are, it is asking us to complete this short verification to get the followers. And to do that, you need to simply tap on the Verify Now button and that's going to open the verification window. And it says here that we need to complete one of the offers from the list below to get all the followers added. And as you can see here, there are different kinds of offers. You might need to install an app or to complete a very short offer which has questions for you to answer. And in my case, I'm going to choose this app over here, and it said that I need to download the app, install it, and then sign up for an account on Stash. So I'm gonna fast forward this part of the video while I download Stash, install it, and then sign up for an account. And another thing I should mention is that depending on the country you're watching this video from and depending on the platform, being Android or iOS, you might get different offers to complete or different apps to download with different instructions, so don't worry if you don't see the apps that are on my list. So once you're done with the verification, simply go back to your Instagram account to see if you're gonna get the followers added or not, and I'm gonna do the same thing right now. Let's just wait here and see what's gonna happen to our Instagram account. Alright, so still waiting here. And as you can see here, I'm getting all the followers added on my Instagram account. So thanks for watching, have a good day, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends for more tutorials like this.